Games regularly here. The Chinnaswamy know it's a good pitch, short some cracks on there, and it may just be
brilliant, but this pitch might have something for the ball. 64, very close to 5 for him.
That is Farid Ahmad. Finds the gap.
He loves it there, Yashasvi.
yeah, excellent. Bit of desperation from Afghanistan. Yeah, they've lost the series 2-0, game to play.
Turns it away, fine. Leg buys, oh, come on, help these.
While, go on, oh, that's off the... That is...
It's a cruel game. It's a crual game.
11, Sanju Samson gets the first game of the... But also mean Washington Sundar is now...
Ooh, little play.
Trying to get the ball to come back in, and Rohit just had a little go.
Yeah, that one did look like 5-pad.
Off the mark. Yeah, I think that one was fair enough.
Two good opportunities. This one again.
No, outside of their all-rounders.
18 wickets, that's in domestic team.
Just across the turf.
No, he hasn't quite got his line. He's just been searching outside the off stump of Rohit. Looking for swing there, but the line isn't quite tight enough, and he has a chance.
Goes straight up, deep square in, and he's running around all over the place, but he leaves it to Mohammad Nabi. Nabi does the job comfortably. It was the better option.
Catch, we see it, live up here in the position we get. Took it cool as you like. Now that took some catching. When does he take his eye off the ball? And that's exactly what they do.
Dean walks to the crease. The rousing rhythm. Oh, just straight up. And Kohli's a touch. Maybe bounced a bit more than he expected.
Ahmed has bowls that heavy ball, and while very high up on the bat near the maker's near to hurry him as much as that one. It's a little slow price for it, Virat. Really good bowling, and Afghanistan in a very good position. 18 for 2 India.
Ohali and Indore.
Oh, this is to him, and Afghanistan have been under the pump in this.
Oh, there it is, that one that goes at Shivam Dubey, and what a catch. Slip had been taken out.
All the emotion, all the roars when Kohli very silent here, because Afghanistan have found them lineup. They've made a change or two to the bowling lineup, Baz. Brilliant from Afghanistan. And vaunted batting lineup is tottering in the third game. In the first 2 games is out cheaply. 1 from 6.
Wanted to bat first. Ibrahim Zadran wanted... Oh, goes up in the air, goes for... Once again the call. Safely, the catcher. India, 22 for 4, and another delivery.
And he might have just seen Rohit, the skipper, looking at the similar dismissal to that of Virat Kohli. You could see him losing. Nabi is not going to put that down. He's been tottering here. Not taken. He goes first ball.
Rinku Singh, the new batter in. Cut hard, cut away.
The timing was good, and the bad got it, the rest of it to the boundary.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see his mindset. Ourselves. Does he still take...
That's it!
Short, and that's been... on the outfield, but it's still...
Opportunity in shot. Rohit Sharma expect to latch onto it, the onside for him to make use of, which he doesn't really get hold of it as well as you'd have liked, but still the ball to go to the boundary.
Flicked away for six.
He does play the shot really well. Travels miles. The length of get good contact as you're using the wrist.
141, 141, 42.6, and ice rink Rinku. A true shot, and he loved. Enthusiasm pays definitely.
That's just inexperience, and it's going to happen on debut. Causing all sorts of problems when you bang in face. He's excused, he's on debut.
Nice fire of his foot. He gets the boundary.
Yeah, how quickly that went off the bat and And on a surface where the ball's not been coming.
That's it!
Is it long enough? Yes, it is. It was long enough. Brings up the fifth.
Yeah, went to the slightly shorter side as well. He'll continue to just bowl the ball into the surface. Bounce, which is what he's done.
Goes reverse, switches, and he goes for Rohit Sharma. He's cutting loose here, and he finally gets it right.
Seems to be his mantra. This bowler will give you the pace to play that shot.
Lovely strike down the ground, beautiful top.
Flat on the way. That is why he's so picking the wrong one really well. And
Also picking the right one. Yes.
Goes again, finds the gap, finds the boundary. It's not the prettiest he'll ever play.
well-timed shot.
Top effort from.
Helped on his way for four. Struggle for
Experience prevailing over the inexperienced here. Reading the bowler really well and to drag it from way outside the off stump. That's right. Another boundary for the skipper.
heave leg side, not a huge boundary.
Hit once. Now to that room. Should know better. Back. Rohit Sharma. 2 ducks, first 2 games.
No, they did that.
Difference in styles.
Again, use the surface to your advantage.
The most carved away over a wide-ish is Rohit Sharma.
And at Chinnaswamy, you end up hitting more sixes in T20 international history.
It's the Yorker right, but Rohit is up to the mark. Clip.
Such a clever shot, but
90 Kartik, he can probably afford to go pace. High, hard and handsome over deep mid-wicket.
regularly, but when he has done.
Just look at the percentage of scores and 6 sixes. You know it. He is a 6-hitting machine.
Swings that around the corner, he'll pick up 4.
Ball so well now, in contrast to how things run shy.
When a captain's knock is required, Rohit, T20 international hundreds for him now, but to do so in the men's game in Bengaluru tonight.
Fish way right through the fifth. It's not about bunting it down for a single.
Rinku goes now over wideish long off. His second here this evening. India moved to 170.
World record.
In Janet with the ball and Rohit Sharma.
That is an extraordinary shot. Spot was, and he was going to drag it at all costs. But just a word on Rinku. I wonder if that's just given the selectors some.
Oh wow, sounded so good. Is it on the roof? It has hit the top panel of the grandstand here at Chinnaswamy. And a front foot no ball. Goodness me.
Yeah, 22 for 4. One would see that everything was like that. Just confirms the front foot no ball. Bowling to one of the best batters in white ball cricket and a full toss.
He got a great ball follow there. Again, 6 more. And now he's gone past 118 as previous.
Janet is just looking at a slow ball, just
Exactly what to do. Rohit Sharma, as you said, just the way Rinku Singh has batted, Nick.
They're now there. They are now there at 2 power hitting on display.
instinctive hitter, instinctive ball with the Rinku Singh, which just helped him as well.
And full toss, 20 of those now gone for 30.
49, and Rinku Singh.
Rinku finds the fielder at a deeper wicket. No, he doesn't. And India have posted a magnificent...
Well, it's great entertainment, Dooley. First of all, Afghanistan batters back in the hutch, having been outthought by... Bowled 3, didn't he? And then they took him out and case bowled. With the new ball, Ibrahim Zad round the cap. Pulled away, hit. Very, very dangerous player, Ramanullah Gurban.
There in a flash, look at the back speed, generating the power and the distance. Good.
Flayed up and...
A good start here, and an aggressive start.
Lovely strike. Too full. And Ramanullah Gurbaz is beginning.
One with the next one, slot with pace. Gurbaz feasting on both of them.
Starts with a boundary.
Wide and easily put away, but need to be put away too.
Thrash. Some batting from Ibrahim.
Just creating his own room there.
It has plugged. A little wry look from the skipper.
Outside edge. Beat Rohit.
Wide of Rohit Sharma it was, even though and Kuldeep does bowl slightly quicker on that occasion.
Goes adventurous. So I thought he was trying to lap it over fine leg, but gets a boundary nonetheless.
Go where he intended it to. Back of the hand. Over the shot third.
That's a good shot.
That was the area he was targeting.
And that's just credit to the batter. Shivam Dubey. Batter's played a great shot.
Yeah, that's more like it, 12.
Another slower runner. 18 from that over. Top edge. Gurbaz is 50 of just 20 now. Gurbaz.
He's played this short back. Used the huge gaps available to him on the onside. There is a deep square leg, but not what he's trying to access.
Goes rather slowly outside off stump, but
Catch it.
And a wicket of the over. Phenomenal. That was travelling, that ball. But Kuldeep
Above his head, one of the taller men on the field. He got it out of the middle of the bat. Catch, Kuldeep strikes. With the man they wanted more than the other, Ramanullah Gurban.
got a half century in Indore, promoted up national.
And he start with a boundary in as well. 49 from 40, the skipper.
It was very clear.
TV umpire today.
Bringing it back to the stump. There wasn't a huge... Andrew Sampson, 50 and out. 50 for 41, won it. Last game and finds the fielder into that situation for Afghanistan. Feel a little bit for Mazai. Batter in Mohammed Nabi, and he's going to need... Ugly, but...
A stage is such that they need to throw their bats at everything. And Gulbuddin now looking to play in the last game at Indore that he can play explosive shots. Comes from him.
Oh, much better, clean, quite yet, playing in his 100th T20 international.
And good connection and the noise that came of the bat was obviously. No wonder.
Goes again, has he got enough? Yes! Now then, this is exact.
System slightly, bit of trigger movement. And it.
Just be swung away, goes a long way. They need that, and they need...
Right shot by Kuldeep, headed way into the stands. It's not a flat batted shot, it's hit in the vertical bat.
Yeah, very unlike a Kuldeep. I'm trying to get some dust.
Again, Love is a really good ball striker, and he's in. Wonderful shot, new leg side of the ball. Rohit Sharma is still on the attack for wickets. And treated with disdain, concern.
That was an lays that Vishnoi holds more.
Finds the gap on the offside. The very best of Naby, 27 from 11.
From the blades of these two. There's some lovely shots. It was hit powerfully too.
A little bit of light dew, things just a little bit more in the... Hit hard, has it had the end?
Look at the bat swing. Contact, he had done a good job of it.
Good shot, but it's found a fielder. Fighter has worked the oracle for Washington Sundar.
It is a real gem of an innings, 34. Fetch it, and he couldn't get the power having it away. The job was going to... Captain happy enough now, but he'll feel under pressure still. Then Naby, 34 from 16.
Mohammad Nabi has got a kind.
He's gone, yeah, he is. That is a terrific piece of work.
With a bat and a dive, he may have got it.
Very short.
A straightforward decision, I think, even with bat.
A little surprise, he's got the...
Hit hard, that'll race across the turf.
Yeah, Mukesh is just trying to mix up this.
Good on Gulbuddin.
He might to back force to finish the over. 2 to go, 1-7. Oh, fortunate.
I will happily take it. A little bit of fruit goes hard. It doesn't matter how you get them now.
Scotty's one of them, takes it. A great running catch.
A couple of overs ago, that is as good.
Might find one. Gets it and gets plenty of it. Right decision.
He knew he had to try and get a big 6 or a 4 or a...
Yeah, missed that Yorker by right in the slot and going deep in his crease. Now change in the feet.
Straight down the ground. Has he got enough to get...
Fantastic batting. When the game is on the line, pressure on.
In the last game again here.
Gets it straight, gets it for 6, I think he does. Brilliant
shot. I mean, you can look at the length. I think he's from 2.
Length by a few inches.
Bat will be dropped, the guns will be out. Gets it wide, they'll have to push for 2. They'll run out at the keep. It's not a good throw, and they're going to a super.
Let's not forget, pressure on the fielder is... I go with Mukesh. As good as, also from a Rohit's perspective, if he's looking at some...
Nails it first up. Absolutely gone. Virat Kohli was all over it as Gulbuddin is concerned.
No, but good awareness from Kohli. You could from Sanju Samson too. Had to pick it up. Job done by Sanju Samson.
Doesn't. Nicks it for 4.
Probably feel they need it as well. Under the pressure here. A little bit better lengthwise to hit, but he gets lucky.
That'll be 6 of them. Moves to...
We've got a game here. One more boundary. Naby, the power and the strength of the man. Shouldn't it?
And to kind of scoop it over long on rather.
Oh, misses out. They'll steal one. And the ball was thrown, so that'll be what Naby's win. India not happy.
Went on to take another run after that. I can still understand.
He misses out. Charge up.
And Dazwal had no chance in the end.
Boundary. In cut enough. I think he might. He has. Picks up 6. Does Rohit Sharma.
You can hear nothing on the ground here. Everybody.
Went way up in the air. I was looking at this. He's really good out there.
Goes over extra. Brilliant. 3 from 2 now.
That's an unbelievable 100 earlier. But the timing of that of Rohit Sharma.
Attempted Yorker.
That is a great shot. He's tried to go wide.
Simon Doon's going to miss his flight.
3 required. Just the 1. Next it. They'll get 1.
We're getting more news. They just go on till...
Oh, wow. You're allowed to bat again because it's a batter's game. Going wide, he's going Yorkers. No, he's not. He's going for 6. What a start.
Yeah, he's going for 6. Where he's kind of left off throughout the afternoon and it to stop him. It was a little bit
enough. With that field, you've got to go wide.
That one's away over. He's got 10 off 2 here, Rohit Sharma. How many's he got today?
4 knocks.
Goes up. Rinku. It is. Swing and a miss. You've got one review. You've got one.
First bank, DRS, and Rinku.
Decision. And Rinku Singh out. Very right. Oh, swing and a miss at it. That'll be it. 2 wickets gone. We'll need 12. And ball, pitch, no strikes.
What this dragged down a little bit, but he couldn't quite get underneath the power of Mohammad Nabi. He'll say it was there, the elevation and the power. He's not putting it down.
Nabi's gone. Another one down to Rinky Dink. Game over. India win in this.